Today we are going to discuss about ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is a software that shows what are the processes needed to run a company. ERP is not a new concept, it is always applicable from last certain years. The benefits of ERP is include fast communication between business areas and accurate information and real-time data reporting. The ERP system can be ineffective if the company do not apply with the proper procedures. What do you mean by ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning? It helps to manage the business by the help of the softwares that are used for the ERP purposes. Many ERP softwares that's important to companies because they help them implement resource planning by integrating all the process needed by the run the companies with a single system. We can reduce the workload by the help of the softwares. Instead of many systems, we can run our business by using a one software. We can see some of the leading ERP providers. Oracle. Oracle is a originally related relational database that integrates with ERP software developed by Zeph. The Oracle is one of the largest ERP providers into the businesses of very big cooperatives. Then the Microsoft, they are also one of the leading ERP solutions providers. We can discuss what are the ERP functionalities. We are discussing here about the 8 functions of ERPs. First one is manufacturing, accounting, human resources, CRM, inventory management, distribution, and warehouse management systems, product lifecycle management. Manufacturing. Before the implementation of ERP, we are used as MRP, Manufacturer Resource Planning. But by using the MRP, the supports given to the back office operations is very less. That's why we develop the system as ERP. It will functionally or helps the manufacturing units also. The next one is accounting. We are discussing about back office functions in manufacturing. The account is one of the back office process. By using ERP, where the accounting sections have support at the payroll, time track, and tax reporting. It is also support in ledger functions. The third one is human resources. Human resources is another back office function. The ERP helps the HR managers to choose the right candidates for the job. The ERP helps to track the applicant and to for the recruitment process. We can cover the all HR functions by the use of enterprise resource planning. We can set our criteria for selections in ERP so we can easily select the candidates based on our criteria. Next is CRM, Customer Relationship Management. CRM is a combination of practices, strategies, and technologies that a company use to manage and analyze the customer's interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. The CRM maintains the customer's information. The goal of the CRM is to improve the customer services relationships and assist in customers' retention and drive sales growth. The CRM also keeps the purchase history, buying preference and concerns of the consumers. The fifth one is inventory management. The process of ordering, storing, using and selling companies' raw materials, components and finished goods is a process of it is a process of overall manage of the inventory in our company. The inventory means the stock of the product of a company and the components that makes up the product. It may be includes the raw materials, work in process and finished goods. It is a physical stock of items of business or a production organization kept in the hand for the efficient running of the business or its production. The effective inventory management enables the business to balance the amount of inventory they have coming in and going out. The better a business organization need to control their inventory so they can save their money in business operations. If the business have enough inventory, it will affect negatively the business. The next one is distribution management. It is a process used to oversee the movement of goods from suppliers to manufacturer to wholesalers or retailers, and finally the product is goes into the hand of a consumer. It includes the functions like purchasing, order fulfillment, order tracking, and customer support, because it is very important to reach the products from industries to the hands of the consumers. If the distribution channel is not proper, it will affect the entire demand of the products and the goodwill of the firm. The consumers never get the products as much their needs and wants. The next one is warehouse management system. It consists of software and processes that allow organizations to control, administer warehouse operation from the time goods or materials enter a warehouse until they move out. It involves picking, receiver, order and fulfillment management, compliance, conversion creation. These are the certain details about ERP.